So let's start this video off with a challenge. Can I clean the kitchen in under a minute? I've just started the timer. Let's go. Gotta shout out Big Brother Nick and Dee and Nick Nimmin for this awesome music here. So let's head into getting the sink area cleaned up so that the counters are disinfected, and we'll work on getting the mirror cleaned up. And I also included being an oddball in the mirror. Certain viewers will recognize this one. If you look on the mirror, you can see all the spots on it. We're going to go ahead and try and get all those spots off so that the mirror actually shines again. So now we're going to go ahead and move into working on the bathtub. Here I have just plain water, nothing special. I'm going to use it to wet down the tub. I have put cleanser down on this. I'm just kind of adding a little extra moisture so that the chemicals move better. I'm using 2 different rags as well. Don't mix chemicals. got the bathroom cleaned, let's roll on to some results. Hi. Just thought I would pop in really quick. I'm currently editing the video that you've just watched and realized I don't have an outro. So I did the bathroom, I did the sink and the bathtub along with the mirrors. I'm not sure what happened to the mirror footage. I've tried to find the mirror footage. I have no idea what's going on with my electronics. The video that I posted, it was a short, and if I can link it, I'll link it up here somewhere. I attempted to do a coffee video and the coffee video disappeared. It actually shows it in the footage that I will scroll forward to a certain degree and the footage disappears. So for a little while, I'm going to roll out some old videos like this one here and hope it'll work until then. So I'm really hoping that you guys will go ahead and stick around while I try and get this figured out. But if you happen to like content like this and you enjoyed the video that you just watched, there's a button right here. Go ahead and click it. And there is a video right here. Go ahead and click it. And in the meantime, this is TBI Journey. Why am I always forgetting my outro? As always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye!